In this video, we will outline the process for replacing the film roll on the Rennco 501-36. First, check which side of the film the centerfold opening is on. Next, undo the brake strap and remove the film arbor. Insert the film roll support bar through the center core of the film roll. Take note to make sure that the opening of the film is facing the front of the bagger. After confirming the orientation of the film roll, place the film support bar along with the film back on the film cradle. It's important to note the groove on the film roll support bar must be placed on the film adjusting knob. Next, put the film arbor back on the film roll support bar. Slide the film to the front of the bagger and position the center of the film roll on the arbor. Move the brake strap to the run position. Slide the opposite film arbor to the center of the film roll. Make sure that the arbor is tight in the film and tighten the arbor to the film roll support bar. To help start threading the film, pull approximately 5 feet of film off the roll. Place the film over the idler roller, under the dancer roller, over the upper idler roller, under the idler roller next to the rubber film feed roller, and over the top of the rubber film feed roller. Reset the safety ear at the human-machine interface, also referred to as the HMI, by pressing the Raise Film Hold Down button. Place the film between the rubber film feed roller and the rubber hold down roller. Pull the film towards you and place the centerfold film around the film guide and film spreaders. Close the guard door and reset the safety ear by pressing the lower film hold down button on the HMI. The film replacement process is now complete and ready for film advancement to the trim windup unless your machine is trimless.